Hi everyone, welcome to Chronicle of Handi Family Restaurant. We have this chicken handi and mutton handi. Just Prakash bhai है मास्टर, वो चिकन हंडी बना रहे हैं. इसके बारे में ज़्यादा पूछेंगे प्रकाश भाई को. प्रकाश भाई, अभी ये डिश में क्या क्या डाला, क्या क्या बना, क्या डिश चिकन है ना, चिकन मटन हंडी. वो बहुत टेस्ट. This you have very good taste. This is made from all handi and the charcoal. This natural old age the food which they made. That's one of this is got prepared now. You can see this. Yeah.
ये 10 मिनट में रेडी हो जाएगा.
10 मिनट में रेडी हो जाएगा. ठीक है. You have very good taste. You can come and visit to our restaurant. It's located in Gunjur, Belgrade Road, near Whitefield and Martali. Very good taste. They'll give new pot for each and every customer. For each and every customer, they give a new pot. They won't use again. After using, they'll throw it off. So that is a special. This restaurant you can visit anytime. All of them welcome to our family restaurant. Thank you. Bye bye.